ZCJK Intelligent Machinery Wuhan Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of block machines, brick machines, tile machines, mixers, and batching plants. We have 16 different types, from USD 1,600 to USD 350,000. We are located in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, with convenient transportation access. Our factory covers an area of 28,730 square meters. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained certificates such as CE and ISO 9001, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to more than 60 countries. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We can provide best ratio to help customers reduce cost and ensure product quality, especially in raw materials technology. Besides, we also install engineers from overseas. They could speak English, which is easy for training customers.